We put ChatGPT inside Google Sheets. The results are frankly ridiculous and will save you hours. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on a special lifetime deal for SheetMagic before it's gone. Ever spent your Friday afternoon copying data or staring at spreadsheets until your eyes cross? Well, SheetMagic is about to become your new best mate. It's a Google Sheets add-on that brings ChatGPT right into your spreadsheets. No more switching between tabs or copying and pasting until your Ctrl+C key begs for mercy. With SheetMagic, you can generate AI content in bulk. Need 50 product descriptions? Done in seconds. Want to scrape web data without coding? Easy peasy. It's like having a tiny robot assistant living in your spreadsheet, except this one actually does what you tell it to. The pricing is straightforward. Through our AppSumo deal, you get a lifetime license. That's right, no monthly subscriptions to drain your wallet. Our users give us 4.7 out of 5 stars, saying things like, "It's not just a tool, it's a miracle worker." For marketers, SEO pros, small business owners, or anyone who's ever wanted to throw their computer out the window after fighting with spreadsheets, this is for you. Click the link below now to get your lifetime deal and special discount. Your future, less frustrated self will thank you.